And I rise up, I rise like the day. I rise up, I rise unafraid. I rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again.
Well, firstly, let me thank PinkDrive and say I'm very proud of them because they are ahead of everybody else. For me, testing is mandatory. And so we are going to work with you in a way we have never done before.
We chose this community firstly because we want to prioritize rural communities, but we are also fully aware that rural people are the ones without the necessary services. They are the ones that would not necessarily get the particular services that PinkDrive issues, because one, the nearest hospital is more than 100 kilometers away. So we're making sure we're selecting communities that benefit. We select communities that are rural based because that is where you get uninsured women. That is where you get women who really need the service.
Nolene, together with my deputy minister, are coming in to see a different group of women in KwaZulu-Natal. So they're not duplicating. In fact, they are making our job much easier. Nolene, that is what must always take in you, because I now know for a fact that countries that are doing massive screening on a population are countries that are very successful in planning intervention.
We are here to make sure that this PinkDrive goes to the people, which most of the times will come to the public transport sector, which is the taxi ranks and also local taxi associations, because that's where people are. And we are prepared as National Santaco to make sure that all provinces and our regional and local association structures are deeply involved into this project.
The work PinkDrive does is incredible, and I think sometimes we don't sit back to just show gratitude for the kind of work they do. If you think about the number of women in terms of statistics that die every single year in our country because they haven't had a pap smear.
As a bank, Nedbank, we believe in using the power of our financial expertise to really be able to make positive and impactful outcomes in communities. The only way we can do that is if we work with organizations that really care about the future of South Africa, as well as the government. So we've partnered with the PinkDrive as well as the Ministry of Social Development to ensure that our people are getting access to healthcare that sometimes they don't have access to.
We've got a big drive for socio-economic development or upliftment within the communities where we operate. We feel that it is a critical component of community sustainability and business sustainability, hence the need for us to be part of this, because it's not just about Lidach where we are, but a whole lot of other communities. It is only proper that we collaborate with all key stakeholders to try and assist in terms of improving the health and wellness status of our communities.
What I've loved about this initiative is the fact that through the partnership with Corporate SA, that we can help government in partnership to clear the backlogs, but more especially educate so that people can detect their conditions earlier. And I think as Corporate SA, what could be more rewarding?
Initiatives of this nature help the communities to understand the importance of their health, but also they get support that they would ordinarily not get on a day-to-day basis. So organizations like PinkDrive and the work that they do makes a huge contribution in really helping our communities and supporting them. We started very early in the morning and people keep coming in and they participating in all the activities that are being done. So it shows you that people are very happy, they're very engaged, and they appreciate your being here. It's a great contribution, and that's why more and more corporates and even government must make an effort really to support NGOs who do such commendable work.
The future for PinkDrive, and this is something that was well researched and looked at internationally, regionally and locally, and that was a millennials package. When you have this package, you are now saying, how do we actually preserve the youth? And look at our leadership, the economic wealth into this country, as well as what is the future leadership going to be like? A healthy person is what we're saying. And with PinkDrive, looking at this with the cervical side, we're also saying, what are we going to do on the breast cancer side? You now have an opportunity with PinkDrive to say, let's preserve the youth. Let's help you have a better lifestyle.